I want you to give a big round of applause to my friend, John David Willard, Big E from Memphis BBQ Company.
Hey guys, thanks for coming today. Thanks for having us, Green Mountain Grills. So you go to the store and they're pretty seasonal, so you get the spiral cut seasoned ham. It's already smoked one. This is about a 10 to 12 pound ham. That's a perfect size for smoking. I like to start off with some sort of dry rub, and I like a salty dry rub. Just want to get the outside coated really good. You can even use salt if you want to.
You have it seasoned up. When you take it to the grill, you like to have it what temperature kind of going?
I like to smoke these at 250 degrees. 250, it goes about 3 hours in your smoker. When these spirals start to curl just a little bit on the ends, it's done. So this one went for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, almost 3 hours.
So this was quick and easy. 3 hours, you got a store-bought ham. You put that nice sugary glaze at the end. It's cutting up beautifully. All you got to do is serve it out, and that's what we're going to do. Guys, thank you all for coming out. Let's give a huge round of applause to John David Willard, Big E over here.